In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make and receive calls in Microsoft Teams. Whether you're new to Teams or just need a little refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step so you can effortlessly connect with your colleagues and contacts. We'll start by navigating to the Microsoft Teams website. You'll need to open up your preferred web browser and enter the URL. Once there, you should see the Sign In option located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. If you've used Teams before, this will be a familiar step. If not, no worries. Just sign in using your Microsoft account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to proceed. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to the Teams interface. One of the key features of Teams is its chat functionality. Head over to the chat section, which you can access easily from the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll see a list of your recent conversations. If you have a specific contact in mind, simply scroll through until you find the right one, or you can use the search bar to quickly locate a particular chat. Once you've identified the chat where you wish to make a call, click to open it. In the chat window, you'll notice several icons typically located at the top right corner. Among these, you'll see a phone icon, which is your key to making a call. When you click on this icon, Teams will initiate the call process. For those of you using Teams in a web browser for the first time, you might be prompted to allow permission for audio and video access. Don't skip this step, as granting these permissions is crucial for ensuring your call goes through without a hitch. You might encounter a pop-up asking for these permissions, and it's important to click Allow to proceed smoothly with your call. And there you have it. Making a call in Microsoft Teams is as easy as that. This simple yet powerful feature allows you to connect with colleagues or friends seamlessly. With these steps, you can initiate direct communication at any time, no matter where you are. So next time you need to speak to someone urgently or facilitate quick discussions, you know exactly what to do. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you engage with the platform, the more intuitive it'll become. Keep exploring all that Microsoft Teams has to offer, and in no time, you'll be a pro at navigating its vast array of functionalities. Thanks for tuning in today, and I'll see you in my next video.